OneSpan Sign helps you automate your e-signature workflows using the Fast Track feature. With Fast Track, you can distribute documents for signature using a single URL, eliminating the need to send individual transactions to your recipients. To get started, select a template from your template library. In this example, we'll use a volunteer sign-up form that we previously created. In the Actions section, click the ellipses and select Fast Track URLs. The Fast Track dialog box will appear. You have two options to choose from, the signing URL and sending URL. Let's cover both of these scenarios in detail. The signing URL is ideal to use when your transaction includes only one signer. What's more, the signing URL can be embedded into your website to obtain signatures from multiple recipients easily, with zero programming or integration work. Simply copy and paste the signing URL link of the waiver form and include it in an email to your desired recipients. Your recipients then click the URL and are directed to a forms-based web page prompting them to enter their information. Once they submit the required info, they are directed to the signing experience. They can review the documents, complete the necessary form fields, and then electronically sign. In the second scenario, let's use the sending URL in Fast Track. The sending URL is ideal to use when your transaction includes multiple signers. In the following example, we'll show you how a real estate agent can use Fast Track with two clients required to co-sign an agency disclosure form. The real estate agent simply completes the forms-based web page with the required signer information and then submits the information. The transaction is immediately sent to the signers, inviting them to e-sign the agency disclosure form. The recipients will receive an email invitation to access the document to sign. They can review the documents and then e-sign. Visit our support center for more video tutorials about OneSpan Sign.